No, it's not. Shut up. Come here.
I better get back next time I don't get struck by lightning.
Oh, hear that thunder?
Jeez. Woo! Yeah, tall figures get struck, you know.
Oh, I saw lightning.
I think another tornado is going to be bad this time.
What do you mean? It's all hilly.
No, at first, yeah, the first one, it wasn't that bad. Next one, oh, sweet heavens. What's going to go down?
What was that? What was that?
Guess what? I'll get that bad thunder stop. Because Daddy's here.
Yeah, right. Because no one likes you.
Oh, everyone loves Huggy Wuggy. No one likes you.
No one cares.
You see that truck? Yeah, about for 50 grand. Silverado. It's just.
Oh, well, you gotta wish us luck.
You're the one jinxing stuff saying tornadoes never happen around here.
Because it does, oh, mate. Because
It does. Look what you done. You made the tornado god mad. Nagging these sworn tornadoes. I'm a tornado god.
Stop.
Swearing, Nike.
Do not make fun of the tornado. Because it could kill you.
Well, guess what? The tornado god, his favorite pair of shoes is Nike Airs. And his favorite rapper is Travis as well. His favorite football players, oh jeez, Travis Kelce. Get it? Travis Kelce.
Shut up.
Taylor Swift's boyfriend.
Shut up.
Taylor Swift's banging one of the football players. Patrick Mahomes doesn't like it.
Shut up.
I think I can do something to a tornado that no one has ever done. I'm going to bite its ear off. Yes, sir. I'm going to go Mike Tyson on that thing. I'm going to jump on it and go.
Oh, yeah, guess what? The bad storm doesn't happen till 2 something.
Well, then we'll feel about 2 o'clock. And then we'll see who's the big scary cat then.
Oh, look, it rain's getting harder.
Rain on me.
Stop it.
That was already Grande and Lady Gaga.
And there's the car right in front of us.
That guy. Yeah.
Oh, it's getting harder. It's getting harder and harder.
Smuggers, buggers. Oh, smugger, buggers, motherfuckers. Oh, smugger, buggers, motherfuckers.
Well, guys, I wish us luck. Well, guys, I wish us luck.
Teabagging you on Call of Duty.
No.
Feel like Rambo.
No, it's serious.
Call of Duty. Feel like Commando.
I hope you
I'm
wish
a
us luck.
yacht. Feel like Jack Sparrow. Red car, red bandana. Here,
I
your
hope
plans
you
up.
wish us luck, guys. Because we're going to survive. Just wish us luck.
Ultimately, for me, I had to go back to the playtime place. Because that's where Daddy likes to go.
And see you in 2 o'clock.